अब तुम्हें सिर्फ 4 दिन काम करने की जरूरत है, बाकी के 3 दिन फुल वेकेशन मोड ऑन। यस, यू हर्ड इट राइट, सिर्फ 4 दिन वर्किंग। So, the new labor codes implemented by the central government on July 1, 2022 has brought a few changes in the weekly offs, in the enhanced salary and working hours of the employees all across India. As per some of the salient laws of the new labor code, now you can get 3 weekly offs and would not have to work more than 48 hours. Let me make it simple for you. जो लोग दिन में 12 घंटे काम करते हैं उन्हें 3 weekly offs मिलेंगे, और जो लोग दिन में 8 घंटे काम करते हैं they will be liable to get 1 day off, and the ones who work for 9 hours every day daily they will get 2 days weekly off. Now here's a small twist. This will totally depend on the states if they want to implement this or not. As per the new FNF rules, whoever leaves the country will receive their full and final amount within 2 days of exiting the company. Also, a great news for all the new mothers. The maternity leave has been increased to 26 weeks now. अगर आप PF के लिए opt करते हैं, then you might have a little contradictory opinion on these labor laws, because the PF that used to be deducted from your salary will be increased and the enhanced salary will be reduced. So, these were a few updates around the new labor laws. Let us know what you think about these laws in the comments down below.